Hello kids, today we are going to learn A to Z phonic sounds. So let's start. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for banana. C for cat, C for carrot. D for dog, D for duck. E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for grapes. H for hat, H for hen. I for igloo, I for ink. J for jug, J for jungle. K for kite, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lemon. M for mango, M for man. N for nest, N for net. O for orange, O for octopus. P for peacock, P for pillow. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for rabbit, R for rat. S for sun, S for sunflower. T for tiger, T for teapot. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V for van, V for violin. W for whale, W for watch. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yellow. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. These are the phonics we have learnt today. Phonic words. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more educational videos.